Alright, we straight.
There you go.
How many people is it? 2, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 8.
They got all the good.
We got one more.
They got one more.
My ass dirty as free. Yes, sir. Get low, get low, get low. Get low, get low. He looking. Hey, hi. Wait. Don't hit me. Oh, yeah, he right now. Get him. He's shooting that. They hitting. Run down. What you talking about, yo? Run him up. He hit. Oh yeah. Sign up. He in the woods.
Yeah. Hold your hand up and go back.
I don't care. I hit him in the hand. Go, Solo. Okay, go.
Walk back. Hold your hand up and walk back. What you still standing there for?
Hurry up.
You gotta hold your hand up and walk back.
Hey, this finna hurt like a mug, boy.
Hey, you wanna push that?
Hey, he in the corner. He in the I know, it's just shocking. It's so little. Hey, push to the push. Right side, right side. It don't hurt that bad. Let's see what those are. The ski mask dangerous. Hey, over here. Come here. Oh, he right here. Get right there. Whitey. Straight ahead. Right here. Daddy, right here. It's not shooting. We get it on point. Come out. Got him. Get back. Hey, shield me. Hey, y'all, I'm finna run. Cover my back. Shoot. Hey, get him. I know that wasn't you. You tripping. That's all. I'm coming. Y'all, Chief, I'm really finna get on this. Shoot! Roll it up. He lacking. Look, roll it. Roll it. This ski mask hot as freak. Shoot, Ronnie, shoot, Ronnie. Hey, hey, give me my back, give me my back. Shoot. Cover me. It's not shooting.
Did you hit with that?
Nah. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Yeah. 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 You gotta roll it.
Oh, God. It's right there straight here.
I know, I got my G. Hey, they lighting us up. Free ass. I got hit in the chest. He got hit in his chest. He was holding his neck. Flying through these woods. Look at that. Oh, he's shooting at me. He's shooting. Hey, shoot him.
Are they pushing over here?
Hey, shoot right there. Shoot right there. Shoot there. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help. Help. Oh my gosh. Hey, shoot, shoot, shoot. Is it on? You straight? Ski mask hot. Push. I think he slipped. I see you! Come out of the wood! Come out of the wood! Come out of the wood! Yeah! 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 Come out of the woods! I'm gonna pop him. Stand on that, yo! 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 Stop playing with me! Stop playing with him! Hold on, yo!
Oh, yeah, brother.
They're trying to duck. I'm just shooting. They over there. Oh! No. You ain't hit me. You ain't hit me. Ah-ha. Ah-ha. Who hit you? I'm gonna get caught. Run! 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 I ain't get hit yet! Actually, I did. It's hot. The ski mask, but I caught Daddy, Marcy, Autumn. I'm really like that. So we're gonna stick to the code before I come out as a rat. Hey, push them! They weak! They scared! Hey, she going to the woods! She going to the woods!
Left side.
Hey, you on automatic? I'm gonna get him. I know. Wait till he pop up. Hey! Hey, y'all stop shooting! Yes, sir! Hey, we really went in the field. We just won. Yeah. We really got on that. I hit Daddy. Hey.
Oh yeah, Brody's trying to walk.
Brody is trying to walk down. Come here, mommy. I ain't finna shoot yet. I ain't on no gate jump. I see Marjay. Where he at? I'm getting lit up.
Yeah, it's solo.
I gotta pee. I'm finna go pee. Who hit me? It was my teammate. Cause I got hit over this side. You hurt. I got hit twice. Push. Where they at? Bro, somebody whacked me, bro. He coming. He coming.
What's up?
Can't see.
They're right here behind this white tube thing. I'm whacking Malachi.
Oh, he's shooting.
Yeah, so he can't
Hey,
see.
get my back, get my back. Oh, I see him.
I got hit my knee. It doesn't really hurt for real.
Bro, I got freaking hit twice in the side by my freaking teammate because nobody was over there. Shoot, 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 shoot. Hey, chill, chill, chill. Hey, hey, I'll get it. I'm under fire. I'm under fire. I see him through the hole. I can see him through the hole. Peeking. I see him. Hey! Bro, I was freaking dying, bro. Oh yeah, we straight. All wet solo. Oh shoot. Ah! Get down! Roddy, cover me. 3, 2, just shoot. 3. No, they shooting that. They trying to hit us. Shoot it, Terrence. We finna shoot that. Hold on. I'm finna look through this hole. I'm finna look through this hole. Oh my God. She's peeking.
Come on, slide through, slide through. 3, I got your back.
Oh, no, they're shooting.
Hey, we need pressure.
I'm peeking. She's sitting, bro. She up. Ronnie,
Slide through the wood.
I'm finna. She gonna see us. Bro, do you hear this? Hey, let me on it, yo, on that. Where you at, gang? Pop out. Pop out. Pop out. Pop out. Ah, it's 2v1. It's 2v1, Ronnie, we ain't finna run. Ah, he right there. He right there. He's right there. He's right there. Hey, light him up. Light him up. Oh, he shoot through the top. You're not shooting, stop! He hit! I don't care. Oh, go! Don't shoot him. Roll it!
Are you trying to walk down on me?
Hit him in his head. He over here. You gay, G, you said you was hit. He cheating. He cheating.
Hey, he cheated!
Man, light that man up.
Come on, come through.
Forget that, I ain't gonna lie. You're shooting nothing. I gotta pee so bad. Hey! Don't shoot that man! Well, this gun suck.
He got hit. Hey, bro, he cheated.
Ow! Stop hitting me! Hey, get him! I don't care about none of that! Oh, wait, shit, I don't care about none of that. I don't care. Chill! You're too close! You're trying to learn.
Hey, you know what? He messed up, brother.
Bro, these guns not working. I can't hit nothing, bro. No, I don't care about none of that. He count. Walk out. Walk out now. You better run. You better run. You better run. You better run. 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 Run, boy. Run, little nigga. Run.
He's not out.
You better run. Yes, sir. Me and the gang really pushing the air at me. Yes, sir. Look at that, boys. He on that, yo. You see me on that, all that, yo. Solo, you better run. You better run. What now? What now? Hey! Got you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop running. Stop running. Hey! Hey, Judah! Push! Push! Judah. Hey, yo, get her. Get her. Get Shanika. She lurking. Oh, shoot, daddy lurking. Hey. Hey, get him! They're trying to push! Hey, they're trying to walk down! They're trying to walk down! Hey, Terrence, make sure I don't get hit! Yeah! Yeah! You better stay behind that, yeah! Come on! Come on! Yeah, daddy, yeah! Yeah, baby, yeah! Come here, Malachi! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Stop pulling my teeth! Stop pulling my teeth! You tripping! Come here! God! And she kicking! She kicking too. Okay. What's your ring on? I know! I'm trying to get Shanika, she's lurking. She lurking. Help me! Bird! Help me! I'm getting shot at! Yeah! Yeah! Where y'all at? She coming!
Bang, bang.
Spooky. Run down! Run. Oh! I don't care about none of that. I got hit in my arm. I'm not getting out. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! 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 We were down! What? Down, yo! I was coming for you. I was coming for you. She thought she was slick. Bro, you lucky my gun jam. She was right in the open. I gotta shoot. Click, click, click!
Hey, she's so lucky my gun jam, bro. I saw
Pretty
her. I'm like, oh yeah, that's easy picking.
Oh, wait, him? Oh, wait, Solo? Yes? What?
I said I'm not gonna hit my man. Look like them things. They lit me up before I even had the gun in my hand. I literally had the gun like this. I had the gun like this.
And he shot at you?
And they lit me up. How am I gonna shoot you like this?
It hurt?
Not really, but still, why they lit me? They lit me like 5
You
times.
straight? It don't hurt that bad. What the freak? Oh heck no. They shooting through these woods.
I felt you. I know I hit you. Hell no.
Hey, why he funny though? I'm trying to get Brody, he lurking at the top.
I swear. I'm like, dang, as soon as I really want to hit him, my bullets be acting stupid.
Oh, my bullets almost already gone. I only hit like 5 times. You better duck and cover, little nigga. Better duck and cover, boy.
Okay.
Jit chirping, he really know about that. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna up and now.
Oh, Solo's in there. I know you got that. Babe, we gotta move up.
You gotta push. Wait, hey, I just stepped in water.
Run in there. 3, 2, 1.
He right there.
You can still get hit.
Don't hit me. Malachi, you can go back in. Oh, go ahead. Hit him in the back of your head.
Shot one up at the wall. How did I get noticed, bro? I already got it, bro. I already got it.
Jit got shot.
Stop shooting.
Hey, Roddy was getting wet. I was trying to hit Brody. Bro, Roddy had ran through and started thinking. I started shooting at Roddy. Solo, why you was shooting Roddy? Hey. Roddy ran through. Roddy ran through.
Let me just hit you.
No.
You was on my team last game.
I ain't gonna lie, he almost hit me. I think you hit me on the inside of my leg right here. And that jump hurt.
Hey, everybody, listen up. I'm tired of repeating myself. Keep your mask on. These BBs don't hurt that much when they hit you, but it will destroy your eye. You'll have to sit at the front of the classroom with an eye patch on, and you'll be made fun of in school. Do you guys want to go back to school with one eye?
No.
Keep that mask on. Some of y'all play football, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, you guys wear protective equipment, right?
Yes, sir.
What's that for?
Your body protection.
Keep your body protected. Keep you safe. That way you can play the next game. Keep your mask on.
Pay attention while he talking. Stop being disrespectful.
Safety, bro.
This is y'all's time, not mine. So if you want to talk over me, that's fine. Okay. That game went quick. We're going to switch sides. Go again. All right? If you're attacking, you're coming in defending. If we're defending, you're going to go attacking. Attacker. You're going to start by the airport.
Hey, somebody finna get right here so we can heal. Somebody finna get right here. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta sleep, bro. I got freaking. We know, hey Lilo.
Right there and literally just start
Yeah, we know. Hey yo, we know all the Who was lighting you up? Did it hurt?
Hey, sir.
Did it hurt, Roddy?
I'm right here on this side.
Did it?
Hey, I'm gonna go under here on this side.
I ain't gonna lie.
I'm right here. Sir, is it okay if I go under here?
I did this. I rung the bell. I rung the bell. This time what's up? Oh, there he is.
Ronnie, what's his name?
It's going to be hot. There's going to be critters down there, so I think they'll run around.
No, I don't want to. Ronnie, come here. Ronnie, come here. Sorry. Come up here, sis.
That was him. I ain't gonna lie, Ronnie. Roddy, that was my fault. Hey,
You don't want that hit me?
bro, me and Solo was shooting at you while you was running.
Why is it?
Hey, bro, Solo, watch the top, watch the woods.
I was wondering, why am I getting hit in the front if I'm running?
Freak ass, me and Solo was lighting you up. I was like, oh, that's Roddy.
Hey, boy, you sure you want to be down there?
Why did you just complain about roaches?
Oh, well.
Yeah, we need somebody right there. Where you are, and somebody over here, so they can't even do it.
What?
Yes, sir.
You good?
Hey, y'all boys watch the woods. They going through it, too. I'm gonna sit right over there. Bird, I'm finna get in the woods. Hey, come push me, Sharon. Come push me. Can't see me. Hey, they coming to the woods. Light 'em up. I don't even know. I'm gonna put this on auto fire. I don't even know I'm over here. Hey! I lit him up! Hey, yes, sir! They thought they were sweet. They thought it was sweet. What happened? Run down. What's here at? It's bumping. Hey, I went to the woods. They thought it was sweet. I went over there. I lighted it on and started lighting him up. Yep. Oh no. Kill switch. Kill switch! Kill switch! Get out! Get out! Get out! I'll let you up! Ah! Ah! I hit! You hit me! Sight, you thought I was gonna get out? Nope. I'll let him. Oh. Stop playing with me. Come on now. Walk down Jay. Walking down Jordan. I'm gonna come to their base. Kill this man. You ain't hit me! You ain't hit me! You missed! You missed! Cover me! Ow! I hit! Hey! Psych! Ow! Ow! Hey, look. He's popping out the cut on the woods. Hey! By the tree! By the tree! Bet. I'm gonna light them up. Got him! Trying to sneak. I don't even know if y'all see that. Dang it. I just whacked Malachi. Hey, they shooting, boy. Hey, they going through the woods. They finna exit the woods. They're going through the woods. They're coming. They're coming. Hey, check the woods, check woods, check woods. Oh. I got it. I know. Act like I don't see him. Ah, you suck! You suck! Can I get him too? Yes, sir, Terrence. Push on that, brother. Push on that. Terrence over there pushing. Hey, somebody hit me. Hey, watch me, Solo. Somebody hit me up. I hope they can. Ah, I hit. Ah, my booty cheek. Wow. Ow. He shot me in my butt. He shot me in my booty cheek. Oh. So watch back, Roddy, watch back side for me. I'm reloading.
I got you.
Over here. Yeah, watch right side. She run over there. How much? You ready, Roddy? No. How many you got? How many you got?
None.
Don't lie to me.
I swear.
Shake it.
I got none.
Split them.
Only got 0. Only got none.
He protected too. Split them. He said we got 5 minutes. I got shut in my fucking butt. I'm on that now. You tripping?
Shake yours.
2 minutes. I can't see. I'm finna kill him. Hey, I got it, Sharon. Freaking jam, bro. Hey, Woods! Sharon, Woods! 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 Sharon, he coming through the woods! Right! To the left! Dang it. You don't listen. I don't like you though. He coming through the woods, turn around! Oh, shoot. He lighted me up! He lighted me up! Help! Hey, Brody over here! Hey, Bird! Help me! Turn! Hey, Solo! Over here! Over here, I'm getting jumped! Hey! He going through the back! Hold on. Wait a minute. Pop out, please. Hey, Josh, right there. Get him. Ooh, he over here behind the thing. Brody over here! Brody over here! No, you tripping. Yeah! 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 Yes, sir! Yeah! Josh, I was on you, boy! I was on you, boy! Yo! I was on that! I was screaming, I'm excited! Do somebody! Kill him on me, kill him on 3. 1, 2, 3, kill him. Hey, I whacked him. I whacked Malachi when he was over there. I was shooting at Judah. I whacked Judah and Brody. Free us. I'm talking about, hey, begin of the game.
Yeah, look. I started running. I was running. Next thing you know, my foot slipped.
Yeah. Hey, tell me what, beginning of the game, right? I'm creeping through the woods. Judah and Brody sit right there. I said, I'm finna pop out on them. I come out, I put it on auto fire, I get the blasting. Judah start trying to shoot back. Yo, I whacked him. And then I whacked you.
You know what's crazy? Out of those 14 bullets you shot, you hit me once.
That's because I was trying to hit you and Brody.
You hit me once in my dealing.
I was doing this. I was doing this between y'all. I was trying to hit you and Brody. Before.
A lot, but I thought Brody was watching my back. That's the only reason I wasn't really paying attention for real.
And then I hit you in the open. You hit me. I like hit my elbow. That jump hurt.
Nah, it's okay. I mean, right now, the record is
I'm undefeated.
I have 4 wins and 2 losses, so I'm not really tripping.
We didn't even play 6 games.
Yes, we have.
We haven't.
Okay, well, I have 3 wins and 2 losses.
I ain't never seen Daddy. I ain't see Daddy.
Over here and hit me. Because bro,
I did.
Let loose on me, boy.
Bro, we was trying to shoot. Bro, Terrence and Solo was pushing y'all the whole game.
Hey, check it, right? I see Terrence and Solo sitting in that little area, right? I light Solo up. He's talking about, I'm not hit. I'm like, bro, I just watched 14 bullets hit you.
Adventure time is a wonderful. There go Judah, go. Oh, heck no. Oh, my junk died, bro. You tripping. But my battery died. My battery died. Wait! Wait!
Come here.
Oh, that's why I was shooting.
I don't have another battery. I literally just grabbed the last one and put it in someone else's gun.
How long would it last since like this?
It seems like it's already dead. And run up, bang, bang. Wait till someone runs out of ammo and then...
Whoa, relax. Alright, good. I ain't on no bang bang jump. Bro, Judah, he talking about some look at my shot. That jump shot so straight. Bro, this gun's so strong, bro. Cause my gun was done. I had to switch with Bird. I'm talking about I put up, I started shooting at Judah. Then I shot Daddy through the thing. I shot like 4 people, bro.
Bro, my gun's not strong, bro. So everybody I was hitting, they told me
What time is it?
I know I'm hitting you, bro.
Alright, bet.
Like,
I'm on at least.
My gun's not strong, so it's not shooting right.
I'm mad.
Or it's not shooting hard, so people when they get hit, they don't feel it, especially when they got jackets on. So
Yes.
bro, I'm not hit, bro. You had to shoot him in the head.
Bro, why he was
I
tripping?
shot Terrence in the head like 4 or 5 times. I shot Terrence right here on his cheek. He told him, and they go stay there. I'm watching him. He told him, I'm not hit. I swear I'm not hit. I'm like,
Bro, this man, why they funny? Judah, bro.
Respawn, go back.
Judah, bro. The funny is, why they was shooting right? He shot Bird in his back. Then I was shooting at you, and like the bullets was so strong, but they kept moving. So as I was shooting, someone gets shot in his back. Then I shoot, I hit Terrence in his back. I was not for this drive, but Bird. There was 8 man. Solo was 8, bro. Freaking Bird. I mean, Whitey was 8 man. Whitey was 8 man at Solo, bro.
Bro, y'all need to get your teammate, bro. I was speaking white Terrence in his face. He's talking about, I'm not hit. Bro, Bird, I watched the bullet fly. Him in the face. Bro, Bird, he gonna do this. He gonna some. Gonna look back around to see if anybody saw it and then keep shooting. I said, bro, I hit you. He talking about some, no, you did it, bro. I swear.
I ain't gonna lie, that gun's so raw, bro. If it was like that in the beginning, I'd be so raw.
Are we emptying out our bullets?
Yeah.
I'm keeping these bullets. That's how we coming.
You don't got no clip too, though. I'm mad. I lit up Josh. I lit up freaking everybody. I didn't hear about it.
You know how many of y'all I would light up if my bullets wasn't doing curveballs, bro?
3 years, my jump was curving. I hit somebody. Bro. I'm glad I curved, though. I hit Daddy through the freaking thing.
My bullets was curving. No, okay. And my gun is straight up and down. My bullets curve.
Hey, can I get somebody gun? We done, right? We emptying our clips? Can I get that gun?
I done used up all the BBs. No, I didn't.
Let me get.
We still have plenty.
Let me get that gun so I can shoot mine.
You what? Your gun?
Yeah.
Quit?
Yeah. Take this. Ow, that's hurt.
Yo, did you hear that? Take that shit. Don't.
No, I think you're like this.
It's not shooting nothing.
Butterfly. No, I still got five. Search it up. A bunch of bullets left, bro. They gave me a full mag.
3 years. I feel like.
Bro, my mag's so foggy, bro.
I'm done.
You have another one on you?
No. I was mad, bro. I feel about to jump up to the brim. I was trying to light people up. Yes. Not that bad. Hey, bro, why did we say you? Hey, Bird, he whacked you first. He whacked you in your back. I ain't gonna lie. When I was shooting a lot, you looked at. I was not trying to hit you. Them jumps kept moving, and then you got hit in your back.
Right. That's crazy.
I ouch. That jump bit my freaking arm.
I get you, I got you.
That jump hurt.
Okay. Alright.
I don't know what you're brushing off, Sean, because everything that you miss is all your whole life. Every way you take it, it's all white.